Hello gamers. Today I want to show you an easy solution on how to get an official Minecraft account for free. No SK launchers and other bullshit. Let's just jump into it. Step 1. Of course, you need to install Java first. Download Java from Java's official website. Step 2. You need to set your DNS to Google's DNS, which is 888 and 884. To do so, enter Control Panel Network and Sharing Center Adapter Settings. Right-click on your network and select Properties IPv4 Settings, and from there, change your DNS. Step 3. Get more RAM. Some people think that buying RAM sticks is the easiest way to get more RAM, but they are very dumb. RAM sticks cost a lot and they are slow. The easiest way to get more RAM is to download it. Download the RAM from the link in the description, and click the RAM setup exe file to install your RAM. Fuck. And there we go. Just as simple as that. We can now create a new world and enjoy Minecraft with our custom skin and account. Goodbye gamers. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more informative videos.